Yeah, I messed up my routine again. So I deleted the game last night. Again, let's eat first. My microwave is broken, so I have to heat it up with a pan. I didn't realize how convenient microwave is until now. Let me show you my microwave. Look, I actually unplugged it. So if I turn it on, it's gonna spark here. Oh, it doesn't spark right now, but before it was actually sparking like a lot of sparks. So I just unplugged it and I don't use it since then. Look at this part. So can you see that? This part got burned. There was something on this, so I scratched it and it's actually broke. There's a hole now. So I just ordered this part. I'm waiting. And I'm gonna replace it. Hopefully it will solve the problem. Yeah, this one I made it yesterday. I made a lot. So I have to eat it up. And I think I wanna portion this and froze it. Otherwise I'm gonna waste it again. I don't wanna waste the food anymore. So let's portion and froze it. And then I'm going to tell you what's going on with me. Okay, oh 배고파. Let's do it. So I think I'm an addict to game. This is pretty crazy that if I start to play game, I can't stop 8 hours, 10 hours, even longer. And the problem is, if I play that much game, I don't do anything else. Especially my video works. I really need to focus on this, and I was pretty good at it. And since I got hacked and sick, actually out of control. I don't know why. Nothing has changed, but I just want to play game all day. And then every night I regret and I feel like, oh, I'm useless. You know this feeling? So I made this for pasta. So I'm good for next 4 meals. I'm gonna just froze it, and every time I wanna eat something, then I'm gonna heat it up. And actually I still have a lot of sauce left. What should I do with this? So the problem is I wanna be full-time creator, then everybody knows that then I have to work on it and I have to grind for this. But I do just play game. That's not really good. This is ironic that when I play game, I don't even enjoy it, but I still play. What's wrong with me? Actually, I am very sorry that these days I'm just sharing like not a positive news, always kind of negative. I don't want to give you that energy, but I don't want to act in the video when I'm not really happy. I just feel like I'm talking to somebody, my friends, and you guys hear me and you guys give me the wisdom, advice through the comment. And I really appreciate all the comments and I read them all. Oh, and yeah, so I deleted the game last night. Hopefully I'm not gonna re-download it again. And this morning I cleaned up kitchen a little bit. My whole house is really messy since I got sick. I've been sick for a whole week and I made a lot of mess and I didn't clean it up. And finally I cleaned up a part of my house. And I have another addiction that watch videos on my bed before bedtime. Sleep late is really bad. It affects the day after, whole day. So I want to try to sleep before 1 a.m. After I finish work, I come back home like 12:30. So sometimes it's really hard to sleep early. But at least when I don't work, I need to sleep early, but I still sleep at like 3 a.m. And the day after, I feel really tired, even though I had like 7 hours or more sleep. But sometimes I sleep at 12:30 and wake up at 8. I feel really good. I think there's something, if you sleep early, your body detox or something. That's what I heard. I'm not sure if it's true. Anyways, today is the day I'm coming back on the track. I think I said it in last video, which is last week. I am still lost, but I'm still trying. It looks good. Do you want to see it? Then let me show you. Look. Before I had a really good routine. Always sleep at the same time, wake up at the same time. Soon I wake up, I go to the gym for an hour, 5 times or 6 times a week. And now I live like, I don't know. That's not what I want to be. And I think living alone makes me this, how to say, not living with routine. I sleep whenever I want, I wake up whenever I want, and I don't clean up house, just make mess, live it like that. No one tells me, stop. No one checks me, but I think I need to be a supervisor for myself. This is really good. When I make tomato pasta, I put some beef dashida, like half spoon, when I cook the meat. It's really good. It gives a lot more flavor. So now my kitchen is almost clean, and I'm going to clean up my living room today and bedroom maybe tomorrow. Today's goal is clean up living room, kitchen, and then I will make a short video. When my house is messy, I feel messy too, and I feel pretty down. Today I'm gonna do self-care, take shower, skincare, and I'm gonna do foot massage because I have a little foot massager at home. Maintain myself. And then I want to do many different things, but this week and last week I wasted time with the game, so I couldn't do anything. And what I want to do is I want to go to grocery shopping and show you. I heard there's a bakery very famous in Southern California. I want to show you there. The small things doesn't cost much, but I can show you different places. That's what I want to do. So today I'm gonna eat this and edit this video. I'm thinking to upload it today. Today is Wednesday. I forgot the date. April 8th, or I think April 8th today. So this is today. Hopefully I will come back with the video with positive energy. I don't play game anymore. I focus on my video. I feel better myself. Because this is really bad that after play game that much, I feel really like wasted, and I feel like myself is pathetic. That's actually really bad. But I don't want to feel that anymore. So I'm trying to change. Okay. Hopefully I will see you in a couple days. Thank you for hearing me today. Oh, 뜨거! It was so hot. Have a good one.